In this short video, I'll show you how to update multiple rows of data in Excel so you can batch edit product prices or commission rates. First, go ahead and choose a cell where you want to input your formula. Let's input this formula equals and the data we'd like to update, which is this one for me, this symbol, and 1.10 since that's what our price we want to update. Press enter and there we go. You can go ahead and just drag it down for the other cells to update. There we go. We made an update version of the old price. We can do the same for the old commissions. Let's input a formula. This one, this symbol, and 1.05 for this one. Press enter and just drag. There you go. Now you know how to update multiple rows of data in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.